professional. Sorry, I'm trying to get everyone's attention at the start of the video so no one clicks off it. So if you don't click off the video, then YouTube likes me more. Like, get your attention fast. Where are we? What's the place called? I'm not 100% sure where we are. Banana Romana. Hey guys, welcome back. We're in Banana Romana today, and we're doing some cinematic photography. We are in Aomana Vanui. We are in Aomana Vanui. It's in New Zealand. Banana Aomana Wanana. Look, we're in fucking New Zealand, all right. It's the national park, and we have me and Matthias. Get here. Me and Matthias have come here today to do some cinema. Basically, I really like cinematography shots with all the drones that you see on YouTube, and I really want to have a try at doing some more cinematic shots. That's what we're going to have a try at today. I'm still an absolute noob at this, but we're going to see what it ends up looking like. Look at that dog. So yeah, the weather is actually, it's absolutely amazing today. I was going to say something else, but I forgot what. So, yeah. And that's about it. Basically, it's a really short one today. We'll see how this cinematography video looks, and hopefully it looks better than my other stuff so far. You can check out my other drone stuff on the channel, which isn't very good yet. I still think that I need to do a lot more work on it to make it a lot better. So I just interrupt my shot. My space. But yeah, I'm gonna shut up. You can't see much of the national park now, so let's hope this video makes it look a lot cooler. Go! Okay, that was it. This is one of the nicest places I've been to for cinematic footage in New Zealand so far. It's honestly one of the most beautiful places ever, this. The North Island's a lot different than the South. There's a lot more beaches here, and it's just a little bit more tropical. Yeah, that's pretty much the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's something a little bit different than what I'm used to, but hopefully it's looking a little bit more professional, because my channel isn't always that professional looking. Now, again, please like, subscribe. Wait, let me say that again. Please like the video, guys. If you've not made an account for YouTube, just make an account and like the video. It's really easy. Do me a favor, and it really helps me feel good inside my heart. And put the bell thing on, so then you know when I am uploading. But for now, that is all we're doing. We're on top of the fucking cliff, so I need to climb off it before. I need to try and climb down from this cliff. I didn't really consider that before. So, hopefully this video goes onto YouTube, otherwise I'm probably dead. Right, see you guys. See you guys.